Where's my seatbelt? Hey, what's up, guys? Back in action.
You're probably wondering how we ended up here. Well, it all goes back to trying to find a vehicle to put a Dodge 440 V8 big block into. And I happened to come across this A6 that needs a transmission, and it seemed like a match made in heaven. So here we go.
Yesterday.
Sweet little place down here. Oh, I should have backed in, I guess. Launch! Oh, that was freaking pitiful. Looks pretty dope, though. This is a perfect candidate for a 440. That thing's gonna fit like a glove inside of here. This is better than I thought, Michael.
Yeah.
Oh, we're leaking some oil. I can smell it burning.
Really?
Yeah, smell it by the engine bay area. It smells hot. But maybe it's just because I'm rod knocking her. Yeah. Alright, what do we got? Oh, guest parking.
Oh. Might have the manual right there. I wonder if it has a reverse if it's stuck in second.
Oh, I don't know. I didn't think about that. Should we try reverse, or should we just not get into a situation where we need it?
I don't know.
I guess try it, right? See what happens. Oh, yeah, we got that's reverse. A solid reverse. Maybe we should try reverse donuts.
There's a guy up here in a Ranger.
Oh, yeah.
Everything okay?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Doing good.
We're just test driving it before we put it on the trailer. Okay. Thank you. That was like 4,500 RPM neutral drop, and it just went click and then started to roll.
Jeez.
Such a bump. Alright, I give up. This thing's not cool.
12 seconds later.
Alright, quote unquote, the coolest part of the car. We'll see.
Here it comes. Here, Connor, take that out. Under here, this magic panel. Okay. There is.
It's got a third row seat?
Third row seat.
No way!
Hey, none of us was fitting it though.
I had no idea.
Yeah, you're not getting in there.
No, hell.
Yeah, you're not getting in there. No.
I've done this a time or two. You can say I'm a professional. Oh.
Once you got your straps nice and tight, good way to roll them. Pull it out, flip it over, like roll it like an 8 to 10 inch pack there. Once you get close, down underneath, and then you roll the strap inside of itself. And now that's tight, it won't go anywhere. When you're ready to undo it, you just unroll it opposite direction and it'll come free. Nice. Are you just thrilled or what, Michael? I'm
Yes,
thrilled.
we're gonna get this 440 in.
Rain, what are you thinking? Rain. Dad, I'm looking out the window.
"24 hours later."
Caleb, hey.
Hi.
This is Caleb. This is Mr. Haction, and we're out here. What's the first impression?
And honestly, the body isn't bad. Like, I mean, there's some rust, but what is it, 20-something years old?
Yeah, it's a 97.
Definitely like
The
25 almost.
Yeah, the one big spot I saw was like right there.
Yeah.
But I'll just give it the old rust reformer or whatever they call that spray paint.
Oh, it's got nice tires on it.
Yep.
Those rims are discount tire cheapo specials.
Yeah, full 2000s cheap wheels. So when we roll the car off, the trailer's probably gonna want to like tip over when the weight's all on the
You
back.
want to hook it up to my Jetta?
So I don't have the key for it here.
Oh.
So I think we're gonna put a couple boards under the back,
Or you want
under
me
the
to just
dovetail.
counterweight on there?
Yeah, you're 200 pounds of counterweight. I found the perfect thing to keep the trailer from tipping over. These wheels I was trying to sell you.
Did you go through the interior of this thing yet?
Nope.
These Carhartt seat covers are actually pretty nice.
They're kind of mint. I gotta guess parking sign. So far all the seat functions work. It's mint. So we got the trailer about to be sitting on the wheels here. I've got him adjusting the tongue jack to put some good amount of weight on it. And then we unload the car. Yeah, I've got wheel chocks, we're good.
How much of a set?
All of the sends.
Super fast. Super fast.
Cut. Retake.
We got Andrew and the girlfriend Morgan checking out the Audi. What do you guys think? We gotta fill up the tire. You like it or what, Morgan?
I like the color.
Isn't it kind of pretty?
I was just telling Caleb, it would have been great for content if I just like ran you over.
Oh, we'll put some air in and we'll all go for a rip.
A bike pump.
Because the compressor takes too long to pump up and leaks excessively.
We got your AC to come up the vents.
Nice.
You just gotta put it auto.
That works. Is that actually cool?
No. But air is coming out of them, okay? You can't f***ing ask for everything.
I really badly want to take it off one of my ATV jumps. I don't want to wreck it.
I thought the same thing. I go, how great would it be to take it off the ATV jump? And I go, no, that's not the purpose of this one.
Alright kids, pile in. Does anyone want to ride in the back? I assume not.
I do. Me and Caleb can do it.
I think I should hop in for the video.
Yeah. Alright, here's... No, this is intro, buddy. This is intro. Right here with the sunlight and everything.
Hey guys, back in action here. And today, we bought this heap.
Oh man!
I don't think I'm fitting.
You can do it, Caleb. It's Caleb's solo mission back here, though.
Okay.
Jesus Christ!
Should we see if we can bounce Caleb's head off the window?
Beep, 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 beep. On your backup camera.
Alright, let's keep going. Caleb's in charge. Is there a TDI back here somewhere?
Yeah. Oh, we're going up this hill?
Now we are.
Okay.
Ready? Hold on, Caleb. Reverse, we have way more torque than drive. Ready? Go nuts. Don't know what that is.
I was gonna fly out the window. All right.
Caleb, are you doing alright back there?
I'm doing okay, I guess. I'm just like in the worst position possible.
Do you think Caleb's head can bounce out the glass hard enough to break the rear windshield?
Hey Dana, I got a concussion.
Yes.
Locked in the trunk now.
Ooh. I told you it's... Oh, you got key.
Oh, oof. Oof. Caleb, you're stuck.
There you go. You got it. No, hold it left.
It's not.
Oh,
There it is.
hold it right?
Oh, now it's more locked.
That's such a great shot.
Oh, I dented it. Yeah, I don't know, you're stuck. I like how it worked. No, it just. Well, you can go out the front. Good luck climbing over the seats. These front ones do, but now the back ones are stuck up. We were lying the whole time. The trunk opens just fine.
Yeah.
Hey, what's up, guys? Back in action.
Oh shit.
That's all I got.
All right. Is this all wheel?
Yeah.
Neutral dropper.
Yeah, it doesn't work.
Show me.
I've tried.
Prove it.
It doesn't work.
I don't know how else you'd burn her out.
That's all she's got.
It's okay. It's all I got too.
Reverse is the only way to have fun. You really got to tug it into gear. Did you get it?
Yeah. Is it reverse the only way to have fun?
Yep.
What's against the rules here?
It's definitely got quattro. It works.
Oh, that's so fun.
Oh, here he goes. How long until a tire pops off the bead?
Or the ball joint gives.
That's a strut mount bouncing.
Or no, but just like watching the wheel. Just don't hit the pole.
Yes, you did.
All right, Andrew. Oh, definitely could have gotten more speed, but try it again uphill.
That's the way to do it. Oh, you don't have reverse lights.
Wow, that was better. That was better. Here we go. Rockford down the hill on my ATV trail. Ooh, that was decent.
That wasn't too bad.
That one was good. I want props.
Yeah, that was very good.